Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to finding the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bedding with a focus on the best white bed skirt for queen-size beds. Introducing the Utopia Bedding Queen Bed Skirt. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this bed skirt offers not only functionality but also a touch of elegance to your bedroom decor. Let's delve into what makes this bed skirt stand out from the rest. Firstly, its dimensions, measuring 60 by 80 inches with a 16-inch drop. It's tailored to fit queen-size beds perfectly. Constructed from soft brushed microfiber, this bed skirt offers a luxurious resting place while being incredibly durable. Plus, it's shrinkage and fade resistant, ensuring it maintains its pristine appearance wash after wash. Now, let's talk design. The quadruple pleated ruffle detail adds a touch of sophistication to your bedroom, while the timeless solid pattern seamlessly complements a variety of interior styles. Taking care of this bed skirt is a breeze. Simply machine wash with light colors, tumble dry on low heat, and iron on low if needed. It's that easy to maintain its pristine appearance. So, if you're in the market for the best white bed skirt for your queen-size bed, look no further than the Utopia Bedding Queen Bed Skirt. Elevate your bedroom decor with this elegant and functional addition. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.